It is a privilege to host someone whose journey reflects exactly that, Mr. Umesh Kumar Modi, Chairman of the Modi Group.
So whatever business I do, I compete with large multinational companies. I don't compete with the Indian one.
You have so many businesses. How do you manage your daily routine?
Why it is that people from Rajasthan and Gujarat became the top industry? The skill in business is accounting, costing and finance control.
Modi Group is manufacturing entire Revlon products in India.
I told you that in 1991, I tied up with Shacklers, Modi Pharma. And I successfully executed the switch from Wockhardt to Win Medicare. So I went to meet Habib Kurrakhwala and I told him that rather than fighting in the courts, let's fight in the marketplace. You sell your Wockhardt, we sell our vitamin.
So in your entire career till now, starting from maybe 1972 till now, did you come across any challenges which disturbed you and you solved it with some strategy?
Challenges all the time. Because I built this $1 billion enterprise without money. I had no capital. So I faced a challenge every day of my life to create a huge business without having capital.
What message would you like to give to young entrepreneurs?
People think money makes the business. Money doesn't make.
Idea.
If you have the right idea, you will always find money. Work on your idea.